Hi, welcome to Tia's Home Bistro. Are you ready for this new recipe? It is pork loin with black cherry sauce and serrano chili. In front of you are the ingredients. I've already marinated the pork loin with soy sauce and fresh ginger. We have chopped up shallots, serrano chili. You need a bag of cherries, 12 ounce. You can find this in the freezer section. We have soy sauce. We're going to have olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and we're ready. Okay, we're going to put the shallots in the olive oil. And you could have more shallots if you want. I just use one average size. And you want this to saute so it's translucent. So I had it on high and now I'm going to turn it down to medium. You don't want to fry it, you just want to get it translucent. Okay, pour in your chilies. I use one serrano, but you can use more if you want. Depends on, how much kick you want into it. It's looking good. All right, and the last thing you're going to do is you're going to put in the cherries and leave the juices in the cherries because it's going to reduce it down a little bit. And then you have also your balsamic vinegar. And now I'm going to turn this back on high. This is black cherries with, I don't have any cilantro in here yet, but I can put cilantro, it's up to you. And then I have balsamic vinegar and some chopped up serrano chili. And boy, are we ready to almost put this on top of the pork chops. And don't forget to put in your 1 tablespoon of marmalade. Usually I have this down to a science, how to measure all this. And you can also use apricot or peach jam. It's just up to your preference. So again, we have the cherries in here, onions, serrano, and we have the marmalade. By the way, when you do this, make sure that you have some marmalade in it. I sometimes do and sometimes don't, so we got marmalade. And then we're going to put this back in the barbecue, and that really helps it to brown. These are perfecto. Okay, here we go. We're going to put together a plate for my friend Al, who volunteered to try out this wonderful dish. He is the one behind the camera right here. Poor Al, he has to suffer. We're going to put down, first we're going to put down one of the chops. And I'm going to put some of the sauce in on top, just kind of make it a little decorative. Now this serves 4, by the way, so it just depends on how much you want to use. And I think that looks good. And if Al wants more, he can say something. There we go. And since I'm making this as a meal, now this is your option about what you want to do. It makes it really nice and colorful. And I've already cooked some yams, sweet potatoes ahead of time, depending on what you want. I like yams, but it depends on your taste. That's nice and colorful, but I think I want to add one more thing. I cut some peaches over here. I'm going to put a slice right here on the top. Okay, Al, are you ready? Are you ready to try this dish? All right, Al, are you ready to try
I am ready. I'm excited.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness. Let's take a look-see. Now this is the pork chop with cherry sauce and serrano.
Oh, I didn't put any serrano on it this time as a garnish, but it does have the balsamic vinegar in it, and the marmalade, and the serrano chilies.
Oh, this is to die for. It is literally delicious. The cherries really bring out a sweetness in contrast to the serrano.
Great. If you're happy, I'm happy.
Delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is outstanding.
What do you think of the combination of the marmalade and the serrano and the balsamic vinegar?
I like the contrast between the sweet and the fire and the heat. It's really, really delicious, and it's very unique. And now you have the complement of the asparagus and the yams. And the yams are sweet, so that's really nice. This is outstanding.
Thank you for watching Tia's Home Bistro. I look forward to seeing you again. You can find this recipe on tiashomebistro@gmail.com. I also like to thank Al Gonzalez for all his wonderful video work. See you next time.